knife?
I feel like tearing nothing. I want like clear cut.
I have a blade in the car.
You have a blade in the car?
Yeah, I have an X-Acto knife, you know, because I'm an artist.
Right, you do. Why don't you get that?
Use that stuff.
What is...
Want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe just save some film. You're ugly. Shut up.
Oh my god.
What if the owner's hearing me? That gives me. You want a soccer ball?
Of course he does. He's a dog.
It's supposed to be offensive.
So, what's in there? What's in there? The what? Tokidoki. That'd be funny if they got
Like
that.
this. I don't know if that hurts the girl or not.
Oh my god.
Just kidding. So how was your day?
Looking for my thicker one.
You want to do it, Maestro?
So, what do you have in your hand right now?
Huh?
An X-Acto
No,
knife?
for circumcision.
The exact knife I use for...
I don't want to open it through here because I'm going to damage the sticker.
I'm going to open it from the other side.
Alright, this side.
Wait, why am I recording with two cameras? I could just take
One's
pictures
for
of
me.
one. Oh, that's true. This is yours. And one's for Facebook.
Red color walk a moment in crisis. Perfunctory idols rewriting the Bibles with magic markers running out of the ink. Lives in whiteout, turn the lights out. Fax machine anthems, get your damn hands up.
Now I don't want to damage the box on the inside holding the actual soccer ball.
2 boxes?
Yeah. You think the soccer ball is just going to come as a soccer
that's
ball?
true.
Are you crazy? Man, I'd sue Tokidoki if they can do that to you. Alright. Why isn't I that? Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay.
Oh, I see green! I see green!
No, wait, green's my color.
I
Wait,
see
wait, green's my
green.
color. See, I'm wearing green right now.
Uh-huh. I see. Oh, sexy! Oh my god!
I don't have any faces to give you.
Oh, what are you doing?
Wait, I don't know where's the autograph. Wait, where does something fall? I can't handle this pressure.
Hold up.
Okay, wait.
Oh my gosh! Wow, where's the signature? Right there? Wow.
Damn!
Sexy.
The creators of man, Simone's signature. That's the guy who created Tokidoki. Man, I'd lick that, but then I don't want to rub off the ink.
No.
I'm so tempted to lick it.
Oh wow, that looks really good.
Just like I licked my first car, and I licked. What else did I lick?
The thing I gave you yesterday.
What was that? The what?
The robot thing.
Oh yeah.
You probably lost.
No, it's in my book bag.
Sure it is.
Hey, what's this? What's this?
What is that?
Adios. What is what?
That.
Ooh.
It's a boo boo.
Oh.
You okay?
You kissed it.
Are you okay, baby? It took you a long time to get to me. It doesn't matter now that we're together. I forgive you. Okay, I feel so lame. Okay. Damn.
So what are you gonna do with this?
I don't know. I wonder how much.
I
Man.
don't want to take it out of the case, actually.
What are you? You are thinking of taking it out of the
Put
case?
it in a glass case or something.
Put it in like a glass case, like this. Like, I don't know, like that. Spinning. Just this.
I have 2 videos going on.
I wonder how much it's worth with the signature. I wonder if the price of 150 is on here, like by default.
I can get 300. No, man, double. Signature, man. That's super.
You gotta keep it. No matter however you hold this, you can't hold this part. I don't want that, you know.
Right.
I'm in the lab while all of y'all are clubbing. I buy the wax while all of y'all are dubbing. Cool out and relax while all of y'all are bugging. Laying down tracks with the fly girl hugging. Up on the arm of the man with
It's recording now.
the crew can't do no harm. When the crew at his side, provide for all. The crews never stall. So say yes, y'all.
Are you okay?
This cardboard is awesome.
Hilarious.
You're gonna draw another face on it?
What do you want?
Draw on back. Yeah, do it on the other side. Draw something on each side. And then we'll all have different faces.
Different
color or what?
I don't know. Sure, why not? soccer ball that they got for winning first place in the video contest thing. Elizalde?
Joseph.
Mine better be super happy. Either super happy or super angry.
Like suicide, like crazy eyeliner.
Crazy eyeliner.
But I'ma leave you with this. I know material fame is very hard to resist. Stay strong, remain calm, and never give in to stress. The key is knowing the time, so won't you say yes, yes?
Yeah.